she grew up within her castles. Now and then she tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. I've been looking through my memories, I've been trying to see your face, but you're moving like a mystery, and you look the other way. If you found me in the pouring rain, would you let me in? Would you look into your memories? Tell me where you've been. When the sun is going down, I hear you coming closer, counting in the dark, I feel at home. I see the light of the fire, dancing the light of Aurora. I see the stars in your eyes, but I need the light of Aurora. My father born and then you're gone. Don't you only want to agree? The fire, dancing the light of Aurora. She was hypnotized and walking on coffin nights. Then it broke, and she awoke again. Then she ran faster, started screaming, "Is it over now with me? Please help me, just let me in." Ooh. When the sun is going down, I hear you coming closer, counting in the dark, I feel at home. I see the light of the fire, dancing the light of Aurora. I see the stars in your eyes, but I need the light of Aurora. My father born and then you're gone. Don't you only want to agree? The fire, dancing the light of Aurora. Everything you want to go, I'll be the magic story. I've been telling you, be safe under my control. Just let me in. Ooh. Follow everywhere I go. Top of all the mountains where I lead go. Give you everything you've been dreaming of. Just let me in. Ooh. I could run, I could cry, I could plead. I could say it's never gonna get any better than leave. I could throw my hands up, I could fall to my knees. I could tell myself I'm strong enough to give all the love that I need. But I still need you to leave my love. Hold me when the lightning strikes. Lead me home, and I don't know which way is right. Tell me when it's hard, I promise that I'm not leaving by my side. And when I fall apart, promise in the dark, you'll be my nightlight. You'll be my nightlight. You'll be my nightlight. tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. I've been looking through my memories, I've been trying to see your face, but you're moving like a mystery, and you look the other way. If you found me in the pouring rain, would you let me in? Would you look into your memories? Tell me where you've been. When the sun is going down, I feel you coming closer, counting in the dark, I feel at home. I see the light of the silence, dancing the light of love. I see the stars in your eyes, but I need the light of love. My father born and then you're gone, don't you only want to embrace the silence, dancing the light of love. She was hypnotized and walking on cold nights. Then it broke and she awoke again. Then she ran faster and started screaming, "This is over now with me, please help me, just let me in." Ooh. When the sun is going down, I feel you coming closer, counting in the dark, I feel at home. I see the light of the silence, dancing the light of love. I see the stars in your eyes, but I need the light of love. My father born and then you're gone, don't you only want to embrace the silence, dancing the light of love. Everything you want to go, I'll be the magic story. You can tell me you'll be safe under my control, just let me in. Ooh. Follow everywhere I go, top of all the mountains of valley low. You do everything you've been dreaming of, just let me in. Ooh. I could run, I could cry, I could plead, I could say it's never gonna get any better than leave. I could throw my hands up, I could fall to my knees, I could tell myself I'm strong enough to give all the love that I need, but I still need you.